How to sign up for a new account on Depop. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily sign up for a new account on Depop. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go to your web browser, click on the search bar and search for Depop, hit enter, and you'll find the first link depop.com. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's basically a social e-commerce company based in London with additional offices in Milan and New York City. The company has an expanding global presence and has been popularized in countries such as the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, as well as Italy. So if you are looking for these kind of clothes, you could always find it on Depop. Now once you click on it, you'll land on the homepage right here. Now all you have to do here is click on the login button if you already have an account, or the sign up button if you don't have one. Now once you click on it, it'll be taken directly to this page. So for easy access, you can continue on with your Google account or your Apple ID. If not, you can just continue the traditional way with your email. So let's just enter our email address here, tap on continue. And if you already have an account, it will automatically detect your email and take you to the login page. If not, you'll be taken to the sign up page. So just go ahead and enter your email, tap on continue. Now, as you can see here, once you have entered your email, they will send you a confirmation link on your email. So just go ahead and open up your Gmail. Let me just do that on a new tab. Now, as you can see here, I've gotten this email from Depop. I can just click on sign up to Depop to verify my account. Now, just wait for a bit. Now you can have an option to enter your first name, then your date. You create a username and then enter your date of birth. Then you can just go ahead and select your location. And if you want to get exclusive offers, trends, and updates, you can just click on this checkbox and then click on continue. Now you've successfully logged into your Depop account, and that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.